Okay, setting this guy for BRX, and it's going to be a Domination master base. All right, so that's again this one set. All right, refresh the page. I'm going to set this to Domination node LoRa. All right, cool. Flash every little bit to indicate the team color, right? And so now it's captured, right, from the IR receiver on there. It should be transmitting via LoRa all the way to my office, which is in this building on the opposite side of the building. Okay, so we're gonna go over there and check it out. Go ahead and take a walk. Okay, now on my conference table, I've got the J-Box Master sitting here and waiting. So we're gonna go ahead and check the score and see if the transmission's coming across the parking lot there and across the building. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go to the web server, go ahead and check it out. And lo and behold, the blue team is scoring points. All right, so it took me essentially 200 seconds to walk my happy butt from the other side of the parking lot all the way to here and log into and check it. I'm going to pull up a Google map to check the space and distance from here, but just to go ahead and prove how it's working, to show you how it works.
Bravo team, select Super Alpha team.
We're going to go ahead and shoot this with the red team.
Alpha team, weapons hot.
On the actual base inside the office. And now the base is accumulating points for both the blue team and the red team, since the red team has the base inside the office across the way, and the blue team has the possession of the base out there in the parking lot. Okay, so it's transmitting all the way through the building or around the building, which is it's a tilt-up construction, tilt-up concrete building. So it's concrete walls, right, with windows, and obviously on the complete opposite side of the building. So the transmission's pretty darn good for this sucker to be able to do bases in a subdivision or anything like that, to have multiple points in the neighborhood if you want to play a fun game in the neighborhood or wherever, pretty much. So I've tested this in pretty good range, and obviously this is a good application for that. So I'm going to go ahead and go back out to the parking lot just as another test and switch over that gun or that base to the red team. So I'm going to go ahead and travel back out. All right, here's our node base, transmitting LoRa. Shoot it with the red team takes over. I'm gonna go back over and check the score. Okay, so I'm back in the office, and as you can see, the blue team has no longer scored any points. The red team is now scoring 2 points per second, as they're acquiring points from both of the bases at the same time. So now if I'm done and the game's over, I can go ahead and just screenshot an image for what the score was, and I can go ahead and reset the scores. It stops the scoring, and it freezes where it's at, so it's not accumulating the scores as soon as I press that reset domination score. And so the alpha team and the blue team and the red team are basically frozen.